Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how you can stage your home in order to get maximum profit when you are selling your home. One thing that every buyer does is imagine themselves and their family living in your home when they are viewing it. This means that they are imagining how they would personalize their space with their own furniture, decorations, like how they would design each individual rooms to suit each individual family member. That is why it's very important to depersonalize your home so it's easier for the buyer to imagine themselves living there and personalizing it to their family. So this would mean removing any pictures or portraits of you or your family that may be in the home. So if they do see pictures of you or your family, it is a bit harder for them to personalize it to themselves. What you as the seller wants the buyer to do is for them to imagine themselves living in your house. Once this picture is painted in their minds, and if it's a positive picture, like they're enjoying life, they're happy with their new dream home, that's when you know they want to put in an offer. Because a big part of buying a home is emotion and the happiness you feel when you're in the home. And the happiness you feel when you're in the home and planning for your future. For example, a home with a big backyard and maybe a pool with multiple rooms can invoke strong feelings in a lot of buyers. Maybe that buyer is starting a family and they can imagine their kids running around in the backyard with their dog swimming in the pool. And these future plans and aspirations are what drive buyers to personalize their homes to their needs and their families in order for you to get more interest in the house, which means more offers and hopefully a higher price. Space is another important factor. No one wants to live in a small, cramped house. Everyone wants to live somewhere where it's spacious and there's a lot of room to live in. And there are some tricks to make your house look more spacious than it actually is. The first trick is to clean and declutter your house. A good tip is actually to hide any items that might be laying around on your dining room table, on your kitchen counter, maybe on the floor, and hide it like in a closet, in a drawer where it's out of sight, out of mind. When there's a lot of clutter in your home, it can actually be seen as a visual roadblock. And visual roadblocks are hard for the buyers to ignore and imagine around. That way, when you actually clean your house and you don't leave that loaf of bread on your kitchen table, or all your documents on your office table, or all the clothes on your floor, then your home will not only look more spacious, but also give a better impression to the buyer. First impressions are really important to buyers because it sticks in their mind, and whenever they think back about the home that they viewed, they always refer back to their first impression before thinking about other things that they saw afterwards. Another visual trick you can do to make your home seem more spacious is to remove any area rugs. Visually, area rugs actually break up the space in the room, and this actually makes the room look smaller than it actually is. By removing all the area rugs from the room, there's more uninterrupted space where the buyer's eyes actually look, and this gives a visual illusion of the room being bigger than it is. Another trick to make your home look bigger is actually using mirrors. Mirrors not only reflect light to make the room look brighter, it also reflects the space in the room, giving it a visual illusion of the room being bigger than it actually is. I hope those were some helpful tips when you are staging your home when you do decide to sell it. If you need any help or information, feel free to contact me. I'll put all my contact information down below. You can go to my website. There is a sell your home page where you can enter in your address, and then I will reply with a free market evaluation as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.